In this video, I'm going to show you how to set custom live wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A16. Open the Play Store, install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Simply skip the marketing deals by tapping on this cross. Go in video wallpapers. Simply scroll down. Here you get some custom live wallpaper. For example, I like this one, so I will simply tap on it. I will simply tap on download. Now tap on set video wallpaper. Again tap on set wallpaper. I am going to set this live wallpaper on my home screen and log screen. If you want to set live wallpaper only on home screen, then you can select home screen from here. But I am selecting home screen and log screen. Live wallpaper is applied. Now let's check it out. As you can see, my custom live wallpaper. So this is how you can set custom live wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.